Let's talk Tanya for the 27th of Sivan of a leap year. In yesterday's Tanya, we spoke about Soivav Kalaman, the light of God that surrounds and encompasses all of creation. And we explained that it doesn't mean that literally. The light of Soivav Kalaman is also present in every detail of every single creation, but it's there in a way which is concealed. So from the perception of the created being, it is above and beyond. Then there's another type of light called Memali Kalaman, which literally means the light that permeates all of creation. And that is the light which enters creation on its terms. And the fact that it has the ability to do so is because it is a highly contracted form of God's light. Ultimately, everything in this world is finite, is limited. Let's take one of the most powerful things that there is in this world, the sun. But even the sun, its light isn't infinite. Its light would not stretch infinitely. And therefore, in order to create the sun, we need to have a contraction of the divine light. This is Memali Kalaman. And the light, Memali Kalaman, it enters the world on its terms. It is grasped by the world because it is actually what gives the definition and the form and the limitation to every single one of the objects over here in this world. So we have Memali Kalaman, which we talked about today, Soivav Kalaman, which we spoke about yesterday. One is a light that remains beyond the world in its perception. One is a world which enters the world on its terms. But both of them are present everywhere. Because ultimately, the idea of a contraction is not to be taken literally, and God's light, both the infinite light of Soivav Kalaman as well as the finite light, is to be found in every detail of every single creation. While we're on the topic of Memali Kalaman and the contracted light, what exactly is the process by which this light is contracted in order to be able to produce all of the finite creations we have over here in this world? That will be the topic of tomorrow's Tanya.